Hi, welcome everyone. Today we are solving first unique character in a string. It was asked in May 30-day challenge from the lead code. So you are given a string and you need to find out the first non-repeating character in the string. So and you need to return its index. Suppose L is there, right? So L is not repeated, so we need to return 0. Similarly, over here, V is not repeated. Other character, the V is the first character which is not repeated. So we need to give the first character which is not repeated. So how we can do it? So I do have one thinking in my mind that what we will do, we'll use link hash map and which will preserve our order, and we will be storing it in a key as a character, like for L, every character as a key, and value is the how many times it got repeated. Okay, so once we have that numbering in the map, then when we will be iterating the maps key set, okay, and we'll check whether if the value of that is equal to 1, means it was repeated once only, so we will find the index of that value. So let's do it. Let's create a linked hash map. So it will be character integer map new linked hash map. Now we will be storing character of this string as a key, and value is the how many times it got repeated. So we are iterating all the character of the string. Int I 0, I less than s dot length I plus plus. Okay, so now I'll put map dot put s dot char at I, which is a character as a key, and value is as a map dot get or default. So initially the default value will be 0 and we will add 1 since it comes once only. If it is present already, then we will increment its counter to the 2. So suppose map contains character C and it got repeated once, so again if again C comes, then it will increment the counter to 2, so value will be 2. So get or default, so uh, the first value will be get the value of s dot char at I. If it is not present, put 0 and plus 1. Okay, so now we will have the ordering of the all the values. So now we will iterate through the key of the hash map. So how we will be doing is character C map dot key set. Now we have character key from the, we have now all the keys of the map. So what we will do, if map dot get C equals 1, then find the index and return, right? So what I'll do, for int j equal to 0, j less than, I'll perform the linear search on it and will return the index. Since map.getC equal to 1 means it was the first character which was not repeated, it came only once. So what I am doing is I am just checking indexes for that character. The first if the first index, the value of the index matches the character, then we'll return the index. If s dot char at j equals C, return j, right? So else if it is not present, if every value is present, then return -1, means non-repeating. There are like, let's run it. Compile time error. Okay, yeah, so it is J++. We are using that much times that we are using it for counters every time. So even when we are writing for the J, we are putting like I++. So it's because of the practice. I have corrected it. Let's run it. Yes, it is getting finished and answer is 0. Let's submit it. Yes, it is getting accepted. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.